I present to you the kola nut, enzu, and jin. I warmly welcome you all to participate in today's kola nut ritual, a sacred tradition rooted in Igbo heritage, and to partake in the blessings it embodies. With enzu, the native white chalk symbolizing purity of heart and good intentions, I invoke the divine immanence, chukwu. I call upon my chi, my guiding spirit, and our revered ancestors, whose boundless love and good intentions envelop us. I summon the gods and goddesses of our land, as well as the life-giving elements of nature, the sun, land, water, and air. Come, hearken to our prayers, and bestow upon us your blessings, guidance, wisdom, and protection. With this kola nut in my hand, I declare that we shall live. We shall go about our daily activities and shall come back safely. Our efforts shall be met with success. Good health, longevity, and prosperity shall be our inheritance. For with life long enough and good health, one can eventually achieve his or her desires. May we be protected from accidents, injuries, and troubles that can end us. May the universe conspire in our favor. As we venture forth on our daily endeavors, may we be blessed with success, prosperity, and safety in our pursuits, and may our efforts be rewarded with abundance. May we be divinely protected against unseen battles and the evil schemes of our enemies who disguise as friends. Abundance shall be our inheritance. We shall reach the height of our potential. May Chukwu grant us a good day today with a perfect conclusion.